Prom Queen, Kurt Hummel.
And they read off our names. The night you danced like you knew our lives would never be the same.
The new direction.
They gave us our trophies and we held them up for our town. And the cynics were outraged, screaming this is absurd. I have died every day waiting for you.
I don't have a choice, but I still choose you. And who can make these promises come true? Beyond what I could say, what love can do. With every moment